All right, so we had to cut them things off. They're poking us, cutting our pants up and stuff. They're getting ready to make a couple of covers that go over here out of carbon fiber. And one of them is going to keep helping me with this. I'm going to do that windshield bar next. We already bent it. We just got to fit it and grind the ends. Make sure that it fits the bars on each side. And then we can start tacking that in. Once that's done, we'll tack all 4 top corners, pull the plates out, drop it through the hole.
Alright, Johnny's fitting these carbon panels in. These are going to get tucked up behind the rubber. And then we'll make pieces on the inside too. So, trimming them up so they fit. We got this bar in here. Where'd it go? Alright, whatever. We're gonna up there. We're gonna cut some holes on the side so we can fit it. The top one across the windshield. Oh, he's setting that all up. Those are gonna look good in there. Alright.
All right, so we got everything the way we want it to fit, roughed out pretty much like 99% where it's going to sit. So they're going to take some sandpaper. We're going to clean all the bars, get all the rough scale stiff, the black crap off it. So they're clean. They'll be ready to weld and then ready to prime and paint. All right. Nice. Now we know where this is going. So he's going to clean that up. Get that all grinded down. Those spots will be good. And over here, because the bar sits on an angle like that, so we gotta grind a little bit in the back of the bar so that it sits flat down onto the plate. Alright, so these are all cleaned up. We're doing that one next. Half pieces to the side. So he's tacking in that. Got the bar, he's just changing the tip, but we got the 4 corners tacked on the top. And then over here, this is going to be the one behind your back. I'm going to cut one end. Excuse me, measure it and then cut the other end. Okay. Let that oil go down. Where's that cotton oil? The spray cotton oil. Okay, bring that there. And then make sure this is level, square. to put this in here like that. You got to loosen that up a little bit. Loosen it. Whoop. Right there.
Yes?
Yeah, try that. Right there.
I need a file.
There should be it. Alright, so this is the dash bar. First cut. See how that fits? Probably a little bit big because just remember, you can't add metal. Okay. Yeah, that's gonna go a little bit more. Another half a cup. Another half a cup. All right, so this is going to be the dash bar.
Nice.
Nice fit, just like that. Okay. So dash bar could be 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches, 1 5/8. So we're going to go with 1.5 inches. Okay. Everything else is 1 5/8 inches. Behind the shoulder is 1 5/8 inches. The two pieces that go to the back, we still got to make those are 1 5/8 inches. And then the two little kick downs, the little kick down ones, we're going to make an 1.5 inches. Those can actually be 1 1/4 if you want. So we're going to make them 1.5 inches. Because if later he goes and wants to get something more, better, more, and then not enough, because then you got to cut it out and replace it. All right? Try this one after he's welded with that, then we can put this in there. You're going to finish tacking that?
Yeah.
And then come up and do the other corner?
Yeah.
Once you tack all 4 corners up good, then we can drop it into the hole.
Ready?
Yeah. Alright, tacking up the driver's side. So we're running like a 1/4 bead, you know, 1/4 way around the pipe, around the tube. This way we know it don't move, and then we're going to remove the plates, drop it down, and then he'll be able to get all the way around each one. Get it?
Yeah.
Alright. So that tube needs to get cleaned up. The other tube's already done, cleaned up, notched. So once he's done with that, then we're good. So one other thing, so any cross tube, like that windshield tube, I should have showed you before, but you put a little tiny pinhole in it, because when you're welding all the way around, you're actually sealing it off, and it actually makes pressure inside the tube. And then when you're trying to finish, when you're going around, when you get to the very end, it'll keep spitting because the air got to get out somewhere. So, all right. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's coming along real nice. He's going to finish up this other corner, and then we'll show you how we're doing the rest of it in the next video. All right. Thanks for hitting the like button.
Okay, well, we forgot to video it, but we're cleaning up these corners. Back here, we got all this glue off in the back. And then we cut these studs off. And we're grinding this down so that we can put the metal plates up here. He's gonna have to cut the corners probably to make them fit better on both sides. Grind it down, glue's off.
Get back to that. All right, so he's all done with that back there. That's where that's gonna go. We got our lean back. Okay. This is basically where this bar is gonna go. That's the one I'm making up next. Again, you take this, put it up against it. All right. And you get your angle. Get a length. Bring it over to the notcher. Set this up. Set this up like that. And make a cut. And then we'll get the other side. Right? Turn it on the other side. Get the other end. So both of these are going to get that cut first. So I'm going to make the left and right cut on that side. Right? And then I'll make a left and right cut on the front. Right, let me set this thing up. Show you that. All right. That's the first cut. We'll go check that. Make sure that's good.
Okay.
All right. That's that one. Where's the plate?
All right, put on the other side.
So Johnny's, I got a piece of it. Johnny's cleaning that off. That plate's gonna get welded there. And that's gonna go like that. I gotta just take off a little bit on the inside. I could grind that by hand. That's one side. I'm gonna go make the other side. He's cleaning that, and then he's gonna grind all that. Alright, so this gets trimmed a hair on this side. All flush. So now that's all flush, and that's got a nice clean gap. Okay, that's it. Make the other side. I already made the back ones. Those are the back ones. They go from here down to there. Same thing. Same thing. Lay out a piece of tape. Get your angle. Same thing with this. Put a little piece of tape. Tape it to the floor. Set your angle up. Cut the notch. And then trim it till it fits. So that's that. All right, one more. That's already done. That's it. No more bars to make. Got the two sides already made up. They're nice. They fit good. Nice clean. What do you call? Nice clean gaps. So one more to make. So 33. Alright, well, we're going to end this video like this for now. All the tubings are cut to length. They're notched, they're clean, they're all fine-tuned to fit really, really good. So that's the panel. The switch panel is going to go up there. The only one I got left is, and we're going to wait because I need to put that across the roof so we can mount the parachute handle. Those are the two pieces for the back. You got the piece across that. Two here, one across there. Two little downriggers. So he ordered the parachute mount and handle and the cable. So once that comes, we can figure out where he's sitting and where he's reaching, and then we'll be able to put that last piece of the bar in here. And now we're done with all that. Now there's a lot of welding to do. Like a lot of welding to do. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe. You go watch some of the final fitment and welding and how it looks when it's all done. You still got to put a window net in it. Seat belt mount. Seat brace. That's what we need to make sure that's where the seat's sitting. I'm going to put a support behind the seat. And that's it. All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hopefully we'll be done with this pretty soon with all the welding. And then we'll get it back on the ground, wire it up, get it running.